Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set different shipping charges for different countries in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to set different shipping prices for different country or region. So we are in Wix dashboard. On left side you see settings, so click on it. Then in setting you see shipping, delivery and fulfillment, so click on it. Now shipping and delivery section open, and then you see message customer can't purchase physical product. So we are going to add new region, so click on it, and then you see region 1 add destination. So you can add country according to requirement, and we are going to set different shipping price for different countries. Now select, now write here United States. Now select this. If you want, you can add more than one country. And then you see shipping 1. Apply shipping rates to this region. Select how shipping is calculated. Now select flat rate. And then you see shipping option name. So you can add name according to requirement. So we added name, standard shipping. And then you see estimate delivery time. If you want, you can add it. Rate for this country, United States. Now 20 shipping charges. And if you want, you can add local delivery or pickup, and then click on save. And then you see you have saved region 1. So we are going to add another shipping price for different countries. Now click on add region again, and then you see region 2. Now select destination, United Kingdom, and then scroll down, you see shipping. Now select flat rate. Now add name. Now add price 10, and then click on save again. Now you see you have saved region 2. So shipping charges for United States 20 and shipping charges for United Kingdom 10. Now we are going to add region for rest of the world. So click on add region. Now you see add the destination. Now select, and then you see rest of the world. Now select. So we are going to charge different shipping rate for all other countries except United States and United Kingdom. Now you see flat rate. Now add 50. Now add name, and then click on save again, and then you see message you have saved region 3. So we have 3 shipping region. Now go to cart page and refresh the page. Also here you see estimate delivery, so refresh the page again, and then you see subtotal 85, and then you see delivery 50 for Pakistan region. So you can add different shipping prices for different countries according to requirement. Now back to setting. Now you see flat rate. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.